Hey guys, we're going to start a new series on how the world computer can improve every other crypto there is. Just what if I told you, just for hypothesis, just to think that two crypto giants, say like ICP and XRP, forged a $1 trillion alliance, that would flip the game. Think about it. How the world computer can make any other crypto much better than what it is. It's the interoperability king. Just think ICP's AI Genius and XRP's Payment Fortress and a decentralized cloud using the world computer tougher than Fort Knox. Guys, this is the spark to ignite millions of early movers. And if you're not in, watching the biggest wealth wave since Bitcoin's dawn pass you by, you're missing out on the potential. Because guys, I'm Domenico, your guide through this crypto storm, and today I'm diving solo into why ICP and XRP's fusion in AI, cloud, and security would be the hottest ticket in 2025 and beyond. And why you should care, because Bitcoin is kissing 150K and regulators finally opening the gates and say these two guys could rewrite finance. Let's unpack the multi-trillion-dollar beast. Guys, all right, let's set the stage with this epic saga of 2025's crypto landscape. Picture, guys, a sprawling digital metropolis in a chaos world. Bitcoin's the ancient fortress, rock solid but slow. Ethereum's the jam skyline choking on gas fees. Then boom, ICP born in 2021 from Definity storms in as a world computer, hosting entire apps, social platforms, even AI brains on chain. By 2025, its Ignition upgrade doubles subnet storage to 2 terabytes, letting dApps chew through petabytes without leaning on AWS or any other centralized server for that matter. XRP's Ripple 2012, the speed demon, is the express lane for global finance. 1,500 transactions per second settling in 3 to 5 seconds for pennies. Post SEC win is massive. It's wide into over 300 plus institutions moving $20 billion a day. Think Santander zapping funds instantly. If you watched my video yesterday on that. Now the spark, guys. ICP's chain fusion technology dropped Q1 of this year in 2025 lets XRP assets flow natively. Think about it. No risky bridges, slashing hack risks massively. DevOnX, even Cole Langham, the head of innovation there at Definity, buzzing about AI agents signing XRP transactions via threshold crypto. But why is this urgent? Because EU's MiCA regulations greenlight compliant chains and Ripple CBDC policies of 20 countries sync with ICP's identity layers. Remember, to run a CBDC, you need digital identity. What better place to have digital identity than the world computer? Market math, guys. Think about it. Let's do the numbers. ICP's at around $300 billion market cap, eyeing for a market cap of $20 billion plus by the end of the year. I think potentially do more. We'll see. XRP is pushing 60 billion. Analysts calling potentially $10 per token by Q4, but for me, it's going to take longer than that, much longer to get to 10. Together, they're gunning for 50% of a $1 trillion AI blockchain market, hurling towards trillions. You know, the blockchain market's going to be worth 23 trillion by 2040, according to McKinsey. And with Fed rate cuts on the loom this week, and we're looking at pumping 2 trillion to crypto by next year in 2026. So there's going to be multiple rate cuts and multiple different measures of liquidity coming into the market. We're going to get very easy financial conditions over the next 6 months. Now, guys, let's tear into the tech. Starting with AI and the beating heart of this collaboration. ICP is leading the pack with Caffeine AI. It's a platform for self-coding apps. Just think like humans launching for the masses, where you can use natural language to develop whatever you like. And it's coming mid-October 2025. Analogy for the newbies. It's like your Alexa, but instead of playing tunes, it's auto-trading XRP or running DeFi. Onikai, guys. It's got $1.5 billion parameter by DeepSeek models running fully on-chain, tamper-proof, and verifiable. XRP, guys, steps in with Oracle integration, feeding live data to ICP's AI agents for predictive remittances. Just think, settling $800 billion markets in real time for the pros, guys. ICP's AI subnets crank 10,000 inferences per second at 99.99% uptime. Pair that with XRP's 1500 TPS and you've got agents autonomously handling global trades. Real example, Fetch AI's 2025 hackathon that was just recently passed last month birthed 100 plus ICP XRP hybrid projects. That was just last month in August. Like Alice Agent's Herca swapping bots using Threshold ESDSA for secure signatures. And the data dive, guys. The AI blockchain markets projected to hit 10 billion by 2026. ICP and XRP could snag 2 billion annually by capturing 20%. Urgency, Ripple's Chainlink tie in for oracles, and ICP's AI dev search up 400% per sentiment report. Scream mass adoption one way or another. Advance. Code an ICP agent with Motoko to create XRP's ledger for real-time analytics. It's like giving your portfolio a crystal ball. Guys, next, the decentralized cloud, where ICP is dethroning big tech like AWS, Azure, and Google. Its subnets, guys, replicate apps infinitely, no downtime disasters. 2025 stats, 500 gigabytes daily on-chain processing, up 300% from last year alone. And for the analogy, swap your glitchy Google Drive for a personal Sky server that never crashes. XRP weaves in with cloud mining booms, deal minings, XRP contracts yield 80% APY on decentralized rigs, hosted on ICP for seamless liquidity. Hypothetical, just think of it like this. Imagine a bank running XRP payment apps on ICP's cloud. It scales instantly for Black Friday searches, cost locked via reverse gas where devs pay, not the users. Pro stats, XRPL's DeFi total value lock is at 3 billion plus, fused with ICP's 1 million plus dApps, TVL could hit 10 billion plus easily. And also, according to what Gartner says, AWS outages cost the globe $5 billion yearly. ICP XRP's decentralized dodges that, luring enterprise tie-ins like Google Clouds, reported ICP pilots. This is the $1 trillion path, guys. The cloud markets, $500 billion by 2030. They just grabbed 20% of the decentralized share, adding $100 billion to their ecosystems. Think about it. ICP's only under $3 billion. Advance. Deploy dApp on ICP subnet with XRP payment rails via Transfusion. It's like building your own decentralized PayPal. Guys, security is a silent killer here. ICP's chain key delivers quantum resistant BLS crypto, NIST approved with 100% uptime in 2025 stress tests this year alone. No single points of failure. Threshold signatures keep the chain humming even if nodes drop. Guys, there could be a full war, there could be a full global meltdown. It will be humming along. Nothing stops the train. And XRP counters with XLS-86 firewall rolling out now. Scam-proof ledgers scoring 85 out of 100 in the Keiko audit, plus IDOS for on-chain credentials via the XLS70D. Collab magic, because you have to think about it. ICP hosts XRPL validators in secure runtimes, and the DNA protocols anchors biometrics for KYC on XRP, verified by ICP's vet keys. Game changer. Analogy, just think of it like this. ICP is the moat, XRP is the laser grid. Hackers don't stand a chance thanks to the world computer. Data, chain analysis logs a 40% rise in 2025 attacks. Their fusion cuts risk by 70% via trusted execution environments. They're T's for encrypted AI inference. Think about it. IBM Ripple Custody adds end-to-end key management, boosting enterprise trust. Okay. For the advanced users, use ICP's vet keys with XRP's identity layer for privacy-preserving trades. Think autonomous yet compliant DeFi. It's a $1 trillion angle because cybersecurity losses hit or have hit $10 trillion annually, and they're growing astronomically. And when the AI productivity booms hit next year, cybersecurity is going to go parabolic. And their secure stack saves billions, drawing institutional billions. Guys, it's time to arm yourself with actionable steps. Don't just watch, dive in, guys. This is what you need to do. Step 1, build your base. Stake ICP via the NNS app for 10% or more APY. Secure XRP on a ledger wallet. Newbies start with $50 weekly dollar cost average on to ride the volatility. Step 2, AI immersion. Fork Onyx's GitHub repo to tweak XRP's Oracle agents. Earn bounties up to 1,000 ICP potentially. Pros code a Motoko agent ICP to automate XRPL swaps. Free SDK, 0 gas fees. And step 3, cloud conquest. Deploy a dApp on ICP subnets. integrate XRP's mining via Bay or deal for 80% yield. Hypothetical. You can, for say, launch your minutes app, test on XRP or testnet, host on ICP for bulletproof uptime. Step 4, security fortress. Anchor identities with ICP's internet identity and XRP's XLS 70D for compliant quantum-safe wallets, thanks to the World Computer. Monitor via Messari. ICP, guys, AI metrics are up 500% this year alone. And for the advanced techs out there, build a T and close the AI privacy, preserving trades, audit with queries, and an S agent. Step 5, portfolio pulse. Allocate, guys, 20% to ICP or something to XRP, but you know where I stand. ICP is the World Computer. Nothing comes close. Track change fusion updates for 2x signals. Risk alert. Crypto's volatile. Do your own research. Never bet your rep money. Why rush? XRP ETF bars. Yes, we know the bars. But ICP's 20 and beyond price target, which sounds very realistic for a Q4 moonshot. Pack your bag, guys. Not financial advice, but pack your bags and do your own research. Guys, we're talking how a market cap of under $3 billion project of the World Computer can make XRP, which is at $150 billion, a machine. Think about it, guys. Think about this. Trifecta is a nuke. We got AI agents on ICP's cloud, secure, guys, by XRP's rails, capturing $1 trillion in AI by 2030, and the $500 billion in cloud, which is estimated to be by 2030, and slashing $10 trillion in cyber losses. The hype's real, guys. Definity's founder Dominic Williams, beautiful name Dominic, says AI builds the apps. XRPL's identity layer redefines trust. Trillions, fucking inevitable. Like Ethereum's DeFi boom, but this is global. FOMO's kicking, smash like, comment, trillion fusion now. Guys, you need to subscribe, share these videos, push it out. You got to think this World Computer at a $3 billion market cap and see how it's going to provide multi-trillion dollar utility from different angles. Turn on those notifications for the surge. Guys, this is your final shot. Crypto rewards the bold. God, ICP and XRP aren't waiting. Neither should you. I do these videos for you guys to understand the undervaluation in ICP, how the World Computer under $3 billion and its potential and what it can do. It can do this now. From a technological standpoint, it can do all this right now. This determines its undervaluation because it's solving many multi-trillion dollar problems. And ICP is the only solution to solve those multi-trillion dollar problems. That's why it's time to act now. Start building, start investing, do your own research. Because, guys, tomorrow's not waiting. You need to thrive now, take advantage of it while we have that advantage. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.